What's up, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. Got another good one for you today. We're going to go over the best strategy that I have found for making major gains on altcoins. So, just to start it off, hey, let's check out the market cap at $700 billion. It's really staying steady around the 700 to 7, I would say like 680 to 720 billion is where it's staying steady right now. We're finding a lot of resistance there. So hopefully that means soon that the market will jump back up. I'm excited to see it jump again. I think that the next time it jumps, it's going to go over $1 trillion. And I think we could see that by the end of January to beginning of February. But as we go on, guys, this is the strategy that I have found the best way to do it. I go straight over to view all, if it'll come up. And then my strategy is that I want to make the most gains possible. Therefore, I do not necessarily invest in like the top 10. I know that's a lot of strategy for a lot of people, especially holding long term. And I do like to hold too, guys. Hodl is our, anthem, guys. But sometimes these things with such high market caps, although IOTA, Stellar, like especially Stellar, I could see Stellar hitting $100 billion and get up there with Ethereum and Ripple and stuff like that. But the only problem is that's a lot of money. So that could take some time. And I mean, we've seen it happen with Ripple that it just shoots up out of nowhere. But, well, I wouldn't say nowhere, but they had a lot of hype behind them because of the connections they were making and the usefulness of it. But it's just so much more money. So you have to get $90 billion added to Stellar to get up to $100 billion. That's a lot. That's a lot. Versus the strategy that I have been using, which has been going to about the 400s. And these are things that I like to use for long-term holds. And in the top 400, everything is below $25 million, not billions, but million. And that's when you find things like Social Send. Guys, I've been backing Social Send for a little while now, back closer to about 40 to 50 cents. So, I mean, I could have been doing it longer. I saw something about it beforehand. I just didn't pay attention to it too much. But it's already gotten up to 77. It went over $1.20 at one point, and now it's bouncing back just a little bit. It's still up over the 7 days. And then, guys, these are just where you can make the most profits because I can see Social Send. So just like we were talking about Stellar Lumens going up times 10, I can see Social Send going up times 10 way easier. Because to go up by 10 on Social Send, all they have to do is get to $240 million. So just a little over $200 million needs to be put into Social Send for me to make 10 times my money from where it is right now. And I got this back closer to like 15 million, $10 million. So there's a lot more room for it to grow. You got to remember, it's not about how much money goes into it versus the percentage of growth. It doesn't matter how much each coin is worth. If you put in the same amount of money and you get the same percentage of growth, you'll get the same amount of profit. So I like to invest long term into something that I really believe in. Social Send is a really good product. If you guys haven't seen it, check it out. I think we have a video on Social Send, maybe. I don't know. If not, I'll do one here pretty soon. Social Send is at a little bit of a dip right now, as you can see, so this might be a good buying opportunity. But at $25 million market cap, this is really good. This is really good. I can see this hitting $250 million or even getting up to all the way up to $1 billion market cap, guys. If you got all the way up to $1 billion market cap, you're looking at like 40, 50 times gains. I don't really have my calculator out in front of me right now. Can't get the exact math. But the point is, I can see way more gains happening from that versus Stellar Lumen. And I'm not telling you guys not to put in money into Stellar Lumen and stuff like that. They're great products and they have a lot back behind them. And their teams are amazing. So there's a reason why they're all the way up there. I just think you should have got into them way earlier. And I'm trying to find the next Stellar Lumen and the next Ripple and stuff like that. I'm trying to get into these coins that are getting me 50 to 100 times gains within the next few months. That's what I'm trying to get. I'm trying to get the most out of these altcoins. So something else that I've been, let's see. Some of these other things like Hello Gold. A lot of them may not have been on your radar before. Like you may have not noticed some of these, like D-Notes. But there's things that you should start looking into, guys. they're not super hyped yet. They're not super like everybody's making YouTube videos over them yet. I know Voicecoin. Let's see, Voicecoin isn't even going to be in the top 400 anymore because it's already shot up a lot. So I bought Voicecoin back when it was in the 400s, and now it's in 211 spot, sitting at a $91 million market cap. And I bought this when it was 1.5 cents, and now it's sitting at 14. It went all the way up to almost 20 cents at one point. And so again, this is at a dip too a little bit, so this might be another good buying opportunity. But what I'm saying is by buying it in the rank of 400s, I got it at about 1,007 Satoshis. I mean, sorry, 107 Satoshis. So I'm already looking at 10 times gains on my original investment, and that's just been within like the last 3 weeks or a month. You're not going to see 10 times gains most of the time with those top 10 or top 50 coins so fast. You're not going to see 10 times gains in a week or two. Like that's just, it doesn't happen very often. And they do consistently go up, and these are more, this is more of a bet, guys. Like it's a more of a risky bet with these. But that's why I'm saying do your due diligence, research into them, the coins. But I think these 400s, that's my strategy, guys. That's my strategy going into 2018 is to be doing, I don't know why this isn't loading now, but going into the top 400 and picking one from there, researching into it, thinking, oh man, this is a good product. I can see how this can go places, and try to get on the train before it gets to the top 100. You want to ride those all the way up. Monetha, you guys know I'm all about Monetha. And man, I bought that back whenever it was in the 400s, and now it's almost getting ready. It's definitely, it's like 150 now or something, getting closer. It's getting up there. Yeah, and you want to ride the train before it gets. It's at 206 now, but it's way down from where it was, and it's also another dip. So I recommend buying Monetha, guys. You know I back Monetha. Monetha is just an incredible altcoin that I think you should invest into. There's just, guys, that's my strategy. Buy these low coins with low market cap and watch the growth, the exponential growth. You don't even have to put a lot of money into it like these other ones, because when you're getting 10 times your money, if you put in $100, you're already making $1,000. But, you know, that's up to you guys. Like I said, do your due diligence. I'm not a professional. This is not financial advice. I just want to help you guys, and that's something that's a strategy that I use to make, you know, 10 times gains, 20 times gains, and so on and so forth. But guys, you know, I've been happy with you. Everything has been going great on our YouTube channel. We got up to 500 today. We gained 200 subscribers in the last 24 hours. That's been amazing. Y'all have been great. Y'all have been giving us so much likes on our videos. We got a video now over 10,000. Now it's 11K views, which is exponentially better than what we thought we were going to get. But yeah, we're halfway to our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Y'all have been amazing. Go check us out on Twitter. That's Sean's Twitter right there, Sean10x. And then you can check out mine, which is Xander Smith 777 with a capital X, if you didn't know. And then go follow our Instagram, Keeping Up with Crypto, yo. I don't know. We had to add the yo. Somebody already had Keeping Up with Crypto on Instagram, but not Twitter or YouTube, which was weird. But whatever. I post usually daily, maybe sometimes multiple times a day. And we're just trying to get our name out there, and we're trying to help you guys. Just in case I can't make a video, if I see something popping, I'm going to throw it on there for you so that way you're able to check it out. But other than that, guys, you know, keep it classy, and I'll see y'all in the next video.